Truschlet, bringing you the tropical update for the week of August 23rd. The Atlantic is busy today, with active systems and a threat to Florida and the southeast in the 5 to 7 day range. Threat levels are increased to DEFCON 4 or DEFCON 3 in response to this potential impact. The Atlantic is entering the most historically active 4-week period of the year, and the 2016 season is ramping up on cue. Starting with the system most threatening to the U.S., Invest 99L is approaching the Lesser Antilles, moving west-northwest. This system is kind of a mess with displaced low and mid-level vorticity centers, so development is not imminent. Shear and land interaction with Puerto Rico and Hispaniola will prevent 99L from intensifying until at least late in the week as it approaches the central Bahamas. If it develops, the next name is Hermine, despite an online petition with 17 million signatures to change that to Harambe. Sorry Harambe, you just can't win. Once 99L reaches the Bahamas, some development is likely, and there is a 60 to 65% chance of this system becoming a tropical depression in the next 7 days. By the weekend, 99L will slow down as it approaches ridging over the southeastern U.S., and the long-term track forecast becomes complicated. The most likely scenario is that 99L proceeds slowly westward across the Florida peninsula on days 6 or 7, before turning north in response to a developing eastern U.S. trough by the middle of next week. However, some Euro and GFS ensemble members also show a track further west into the Gulf, and a few keep 99L offshore. The track forecast scenario probabilities shown here are rather uncertain due to both the range of possible intensities of 99L as well as the potential for interactions with mid-latitude troughing and or the remnant vorticity from the dissipating Fiona. In terms of intensity, I do not expect, nor are most models indicating the potential for explosive intensification. SSTs in the western Atlantic are warmer than average, but shear conditions will likely be marginal, and rather dry air mass will be in place over the Bahamas by day 5. This dry air is likely to keep the rate of strengthening modest, and should 99L approach Florida, it is more likely to do so as a tropical storm. Still, given the substantial uncertainty in the forecast, low-end hurricane intensity is also a possibility, and interest in Florida, the southeast, and the northern Gulf Coast should all carefully monitor the progress of 99L. Elsewhere, former tropical storm Fiona is dissipating, and is only of interest in that its remains may affect the track of 99L. Tropical storm Gaston is located in the far eastern Atlantic and is strengthening today. Gaston will likely become a hurricane over the next 24 hours, and may become the first major hurricane of 2016 eventually, but it will turn to the north, east of Bermuda over the next 7 to 10 days and is not a threat. Other than 99L, development is fairly unlikely over the next week, though there is a 10 to 15% chance of another TC forming in the East Atlantic by early next week. We'll keep monitoring 99L and have forecast updates as needed, and in the meantime, now you know what's happening in the tropics, keep watching the skies.